is it down? How do you rate weightless in a driver?
It's a guy who can keep it on the track and be out of the front. You know, anybody can go off. It's a good guy who can stay out of the front, don't go off.
Yes.
I'm Tony.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, we got there in the end. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah,
Yeah.
we got inside. Oh, Jackie Stewart, they're all in there. So, I mean, they're all... Market, you can look on.
Yeah, okay, great. Hey, Harv. Bobby.
What time are you coming?
Good to see you, Norman.
Oh, come here, come here.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Getting always younger and younger.
You think?
Yes, you do.
It's made more down.
Are you driving today?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Don't like to get that.
So you had fun. Whenever it's wet, then you had fun. I tell you, I was with him at the Victoria and Albert Museum, I guess it was on Monday.
On Monday you were together?
Yeah, and there was an 18, 19-year-old girl there.
Careful, careful.
This is and where was Norman? You know it exactly, huh? Norman.
That was
Yeah, in London.
On Monday.
Come on.